Many Canadians think investing has to be complicated, with endless asset classes and strategies. But there's a smarter, simpler path focused on clarity and results. The solution is 3 ETFs. For most Canadians, this covers global diversification, cost efficiency, and simplicity. First, a broad Canadian stock ETF connects your portfolio to the local market and major Canadian companies, keeping costs low and tax efficiency high. Next, a global ETF gives exposure to hundreds of companies worldwide, spreading risk and capturing growth from the US, Europe, and beyond. The third ETF is a Canadian Bond ETF, providing steady income and stability to your portfolio, acting as a safety net against market downturns. Combined, these 3 ETFs create a diversified, affordable portfolio that's easy to manage without constant adjustments or trend chasing. Simplifying your portfolio means more time for life, less time worrying about markets, and potentially better outcomes in the long run. 3 ETFs, the Canadian market, the world, and bonds. That's all most investors need. This content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice.